North Korea.
North Korea.
North Korea.
The North Koreans.
North Korea.
The propaganda.
In the vast world of travel, North Korea remains one of the most enigmatic destinations. If you're considering a journey into the heart of the DPRK, preparation is essential. Today, we'll unveil secrets to help you stay safe and make the most of your trip. Understanding local laws and customs. North Korea is a land deeply rooted in its traditions and governance. Respecting leadership and symbols isn't just a courteous act, it's a necessity. Remember to stand and show reverence when facing images of the state's leadership or during ceremonies. This respect extends to the country's stringent rules on photography. A seemingly innocent photo could be considered offensive or be misinterpreted. Always consult your guide before taking a picture, especially outside tourist-designated areas. The imperative of using official channels. Traveling to North Korea is unlike visiting any other country. Here, independent exploration isn't just frowned upon, it's illegal. By booking through government-approved tour agencies, you're not only ensuring safety but availing of an authentic experience. Moreover, attempting to enter North Korea without official clearance can result in severe repercussions. Staying updated on political situations. While North Korea remains shrouded in mystery, it's also in the global spotlight, especially regarding political relations with other countries. Before and during your trip, keep an eye on international news and be informed about the current state of relations between North Korea and your home country. The political landscape can change rapidly, and being aware can help you make informed decisions during your stay. Tensions, if any, can have a significant impact on your travel experience. It's crucial not only to avoid discussing politics, but also be mindful of any recent news events that could affect local sentiments. Being sensitive to these dynamics ensures your safety and a smoother trip. The importance of respecting cultural norms. North Korea's deep-rooted traditions offer insights into its unique way of life. Dress modestly during your visit. Men should preferably wear trousers, and women should opt for non-revealing attire. Building a rapport with locals can be rewarding, but remember to remain polite and avoid personal or controversial topics. Restricted areas and guided tours. While the allure of exploring off the beaten path is a trait cherished by many travelers, North Korea is not the place for such adventures. There are areas tourists are forbidden to enter, and these restrictions are not always clearly marked. Veering off on your own could inadvertently lead you into one of these zones. Always stay with your designated tour group. Your guide isn't just a fount of knowledge about North Korean history and culture, they're also your beacon for safe navigation within the country. Their guidance is invaluable in ensuring you only explore areas that are sanctioned for tourists. Communication dynamics. In North Korea, the concept of open communication as we know it changes significantly. While in many countries, we're used to freely browsing the internet, making international calls, or engaging in impromptu chats with locals. In North Korea, these actions are either restricted or monitored. Tourists typically don't have access to the local internet and can't make international calls from most locations. Conversations with North Koreans are genuinely enriching, but it's essential to tread carefully. Avoid discussing topics that could be seen as controversial or critical. It's not just about being respectful, it's also about ensuring you don't unwittingly place locals or yourself in a challenging situation. Preparing for health and medical needs. The DPRK's medical infrastructure might not match Western standards. Ensure you carry an ample supply of necessary medicine and a comprehensive first aid kit. Acquainting yourself with the local healthcare system can also help set realistic expectations and avoid unpleasant surprises. Understanding the financial landscape. North Korea's unique economic dynamics mean most transactions occur in cash. Tourists are sometimes expected to use foreign currency, especially euros or Chinese yuan. Credit and debit card facilities are almost non-existent. Hence, ensuring you have sufficient cash is paramount. Navigating exit procedures. Exiting North Korea isn't as straightforward as just hopping on a plane. The process is meticulous, and customs officials are thorough. You may find them going through your belongings, including any electronics like cameras or laptops. They might check for unauthorized photos, literature, or other content. It's vital to ensure that you've followed all the rules during your stay to prevent any hitches at this stage. Being prepared for this rigorous procedure, having all your documentation in order, and showing patience can make the difference between a smooth departure and potential complications. Navigating the unspoken. Every society has its unwritten rules, and North Korea is no exception. While many do's and don'ts are shared with tourists beforehand or by guides during the trip, there's an undercurrent of expectations built on cultural nuances. Some actions or words that might seem innocent to you could have deeper implications in North Korea. When unsure about any aspect, always lean on your guide's expertise. They are well versed in the intricacies of North Korean society and can provide clarity. Remember, it's always better to ask and be sure than to make assumptions in a country as unique as the DPRK. Venturing into North Korea is like stepping into a different epoch. Its unique blend of history, culture, and enigma provides unparalleled experiences. Though it demands heightened alertness, the tales you'll gather will be unmatched. Respect, awareness, and the safety secrets shared today will pave the way for an unforgettable odyssey into the DPRK's heart. If you enjoyed this deep dive into North Korea's travel nuances, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Wanderlust for more insightful travel videos.